Hi students, we are going to see application of matrices and determinants, exercise 1.5, first sum. In this sum, solve the following system of linear equation by Gaussian elimination method. Gaussian elimination method means three equation givens, we have to write augmented matrix. Augmented matrix means A matrix, that is A matrix means x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, and write the constant, that is A by B form, right? And using elementary row operation, that is a elementary row operation, simplify to get echelon form, that is a triangular form. This is a triangular form of the matrix, and using this matrix write x, y, z equal to 3, and y term, z term equal to constant, and z term equal to constant. Using this we get three equations. Now solving this three equation we get x, y, z. That one is a Gaussian elimination method. See the sum. First sum, 3 equation, 2x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 2, x plus 2y minus z equal to 3, 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 1. Write the augmented matrix, that is x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, constant. See that one already I told, if 1 is there in the place, then we can easily find the echelon form. Then R2 interchange to R1. R2 R1 interchange. R3 no change. Next, we want to make this place equal to 0, and also this place is equal to 0. That means R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. Here R3 implies R3 minus 3R1. Okay, and the first row, right? Second row, R2 minus 2R1. Now see that one, R2 minus 2R1 multiplied by 2. Each and every term multiply by 2 and write. Okay, and subtract this, we get 0 minus 6, 5 minus 4. 0 minus 6, 5 minus 4. Similarly, R3 minus 3R1. R3, write R3, and minus 3R1. 3R1 multiplied by 3. Each and every term multiplied by 3. Right? And subtract. We get 0 minus 7, 5 minus 8. 0 minus 7, 5 minus 8. Okay, next we want to make this place equal to 0. Then now this term multiplied by 6, this term multiplied by 7. Okay, 6 R3 minus 7 R2. 6 R3 minus 7 R2. Now 6 R3, this term multiplied by 6. And write. And 7 R2, this term multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 7 and write. And subtract, we get 0, 0, minus 5, minus 20. Okay, now we get echelon form of the matrix, that is a triangular form. Now using this echelon form, write the three equations. One means x plus 2y minus z equal to 3, and similarly minus 6y plus 5z equal to minus 4. Here minus 5z equal to minus 20. Okay, now simplify. Z equal to minus 20 by minus 5 cancel, we get z equal to 4. Z equal to 4 substitute in this equation. Okay, but that means minus 6y plus 5 into 4 equal to minus 4, minus 6y equal to 5 4s are 20 equal to minus 4. Plus 20 go to that side, minus 20. Simplify, minus 24, minus minus cancel, 64 by 6, 4. Now we get z and y. Z and y substitute in this equation. Okay, now x plus 2 into 4 minus 4 equal to 3, multiply 8 minus 4, 4 go to that side minus 4, x equal to minus 1. Therefore x equal to minus 1, y equal to 4, z equal to 4. Next, second equation, 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 22. Second sum, 3x plus 8y plus 5z equal to 27, minus x plus y plus 2z equal to 2. Augmented matrix, right? X coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient constant. And see that one, here minus 1 is there. Then go to, in this place, R2, R3 interchange R1. R1, R3 interchange R1, R3 interchange R1, R1 interchange R3, R2 no change, and we want here 1 is there, then multiplied by minus 1. Now change the sign. Next, we want to make this place equal to 0. This place equal to 0, this place equal to 0. That means R2 implies R2 minus 3R1. R2 minus 3R1. Next, here R3 implies R3 minus 2R1. R3 minus 2R1. Okay, now R2, right. 3R1, R1 multiplied by 3. And simplify, subtract, 11, 11, 13. 11, 11, 13. Next, R3 minus 2R1. R3, right, and R1 multiplied by 2, and right, simply subtract, we get 0, 6, 10, 26. 0, 6, 10, 26. See that one, R2, 11 is a common, okay, divided by 11, about 1, 1, 3. Now we want to make this place equal to 0. This place equal to 0. Then multiplied by 6 in this place and subtract. Up R3 minus 6 R2. R1 no change. R2 no change. Here R3, right. Next, 6 R2. This one is multiplied by 6. Subtract 0, 0, 4, 8. 0, 0, 4, 8. Now we get echelon form, that is a triangular form. Now write the equations, x minus y minus 2z equal to minus 2, y plus z equal to 3, 4z equal to 8. Now 4z equal to 8, z equal to 8 by 4, cancel 2. Z equal to 2 substitute in this one, y plus 2 equal to 3, y equal to 3 minus 2, y equal to 1. Z equal to 2, y equal to 1, substitute in this. Up x minus 1 minus 2 into 2 equal to minus 2. X minus 1, 4. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Minus 5 go to that side, plus 5. You get 3. Therefore, x equal to 3, y equal to 1, z equal to 2. You get the answer. See the second sum. If ax squared plus bx plus c is divided by x plus 3, x minus 5 and x minus 1, the remainders are 21, 61 and 9 respectively. Find a, b, c. Use Gauss elimination method. Now the equation is divided by x plus 3, x minus 5, x minus 1. Listen, given ax squared plus bx plus c is divided by x plus 3, x minus 5, x minus 1, remainders are given. Okay, substitute x equal to, here plus 3, go to that side minus 3, up x equal to minus 3, substitute in this equation, a minus 3 whole square 9, 9a minus 3b plus c equal to the remainder 21. Now x equal to, here minus 5, up x equal to 5, substitute x equal to 5 in this equation, 25a plus 5b plus c equal to the remainder 61. Next, x minus 1 means x equal to 1. Substitute a plus B plus C equal to the constant 9. Okay. Now write the augmented matrix. Write the A coefficient 9, 25, 1. B coefficient minus 3, 5, 1. Constant, C coefficient 1, 1, 1. And constant 21, 61, 9. Okay, see that one is there. Now R3 interchange to R1. R2 no change. Okay, now here we want to make 0. Here also we want to make 0. Then R2 implies R2 minus 25 R1. R2 minus 25 R1. R2, right? 25, 5, 1, 61. Now 25 R1 multiplied by 25, that is minus 25, 25, 25. Subtract, get 0, minus 20, minus 24, minus 164. Write this. Next, R3 implies R3 minus 9 R1. Now R3, right? R3, 9 R1, that is R1 multiplied by 9. Get, and subtract this 0, minus 12, minus 8, minus 60. That is 0, minus 12, minus 8, minus 60. See that one. In this one, 4 common. Okay. In this also 4 common. It's also minus is also common. That is R2 implies R2 by minus 4. R3 implies R3 by minus 4. First row no change. Divided by minus 4, we get 0, 5, 6, 41. Here also divided by minus 4, 0, 3, 2, 15. Next we want to make this value equal to 0. This value equal to 0. That is this term multiplied by 5, this term multiplied by 3. That is R3 implies 5 R3 minus 3 R2. R1 no change. R2 no change. R3 only 5 R3. 5 R3 means this one multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5. And R2 multiplied by 3. R2 multiplied by 3. Subtract, we get 0, 0 minus 8, 48. We get echelon form of the matrix, that is a triangular form. Now write the 3 equations. Here equation ABC. Then take A plus B plus C equal to 9. A plus B plus C equal to 9. Here 5B plus 6C equal to 41. 5B plus 6C equal to 41. Last one, minus 8C equal to minus 48. So minus 8C equal to minus 48. Cancel C equal to 48 by 8. Cancel C equal to 6. C equal to 6. Substitute in this equation. 5B equal to 6 into 6, 36. 36 go to that side, minus 36. Simplify 5. 5B equal to 5. B equal to 5 by 5. Cancel 1. Now C equal to 6. B equal to 1. C equal to 6. B equal to 1. Now substitute in first equation. That is A plus 1 plus 6 equal to 9. That is A plus 7 equal to 9. A equal to 9 minus 7 equal to 2. A equal to 2. A equal to 2. B equal to 1. C equal to 6. We get answer. Next, third sum. An amount of 65,000 is invested in 3 bonds at the rate of 6%, 8%, here 9% per annum respectively. The total annual income is rupees 4,800. The income from the third bond is rupees 600, more than that from the second bond. Determine the price of each bond. Use Gauss elimination method. I will take, let X be the price of first bond. Y be the price of second bond. Z be the price of third bond. Listen, first total number of amount equal to 65,000 given. total amount equal to 65,000. Then the first equation is x plus y plus z equal to 65,000. X plus y plus z equal to 65,000, and total annual income from the 3 bonds, total annual income 3 bonds equal to 4,800. That is 6%, 8%, 9%. That is 6% means 6 by 100x plus 8 by 100y plus 9 by 100 z equal to 4,800. Here 100 divide common, then go to that side, multiply 4,80,000. Next another equation, the income from the third bond means 9%, 9 by 100 z is equal to rupees 600 more than that from the second bond. 600 more than plus second bond means percentage 8 by 100 y. That is 9 by 100 z equal to 600 plus 8 by 100 y. That is plus 8 by 100 y, go to that side, minus 8 by 100 y. Okay. Here 100 common, divide, go to that side, multiply, minus 8y plus 9z equal to 60,000. Okay. Here x no value, that is 0x minus 8y plus 9z equal to 60,000. That is 3 equation, first equation, second equation, and third equation. Okay, 3 equations. Right, augmented matrix 1 1 1 65,000, 6 8 9 4,80,000, 0 minus 8 9 60,000. Here 0 already is there. We want to make this value only 0. Then R2 implies R2 minus 6 R1. Here already 0 is there. Therefore R3 no change. R2 only. R2 implies R2 minus 6 R1. Okay. R2 minus 6 R1, directly we can find. That is multiplied by 6. 6 minus 6 0. 8 minus 6 2. 9 minus 6 3. Here multiplied by 6, simplify, 90,000. Subtract, okay, and 90,000 we get. R3 no change. Next we want to make this place equal to 0. That means here 4 times multiply, 4 2s are 8. Then R3 plus 4R2. R3 plus 4R2, simplify, we get 0. 0. Here multiplied by 4. 9 plus 12, that is 21. Here also multiplied by 4, that is 6. 36 plus 6, 42. Okay, 4,20,000. That is, we get echelon form, that is a triangular form. Write the equation, x plus y plus z equal to 65,000, 2y plus 3z equal to 90,000, and 21 z equal to 4,20,000. By z equal to, divided by 21, cancel, z equal to 20,000. 20,000 substitute in this equation. Okay. Now we get 2y equal to 3 2s are 60,000 equal to 90,000. Subtract 90,000 minus 60,000 equal to 30,000. Divided by 2, 15,000. Now y z value substitute in first equation. That is x plus 15,000 plus 30,000 value 35,000. Subtract 65,000 minus 35,000, we get 30,000. X equal to 30,000. Upon the price of first bond is rupees 30,000. The price of second bond is rupees 15,000. The price of third bond is rupees 20,000. Get the answer. Okay. See the fourth sum. A boy is walking along the path y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c through the points minus 6, 8, minus 2, minus 12 and 3, 8. He wants to meet his friend at the point 7, 60. will he meet his friend? Use Gauss elimination method. First we want to find three equations. An equation given and 3 points given. I will take x, y, x, y, x, y. Substitute in this equation, we get three equations. Listen, given y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, through the points are minus 6, 8, minus 2, minus 12, 3, 8. First take x equal to minus 6, y equal to 8. Y equal to 8. Substitute in this equation. Y equal to 8 equal to x equal to minus 6, that is 36a minus 6b equal to c. Now arrange the equations. I will take equation number 1. And next x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 12. Substitute in this equation, we get minus 12 equal to 4a minus 2b equal plus c. Arrange the equation, equation number 2. And take x equal to 3, y equal to 8. Substitute, we get third equations. 3 equations we get. Now write in augmented matrix. 36 minus 6 1, 4 minus 2 1, 9 3 1 and constant. Okay, in this one here, see that one, in this place no one is there. Directly we can simplify. 4 also multiplied by 9 we get 36. 9 also multiplied by 4 we get 36. Then directly simplify. R2 implies 9 R2, 9 4s are 36 minus R1. Here also R3 implies multiplied 4, 36, 4 R3 minus R1. Okay, directly we can simplify. We get 0 minus 12, 8 minus 116. You don't know means write and simplify. Okay, and here also 0, 18, 3, 24. Now we want to make this place equal to 0. Here also, here 4 is common, divided by 4 for our easy simplification. Multiplied by 6, 18. Okay, R3 implies R3 plus 6 R2. Simplify, we get 0, 0, 15, 1 minus 150. Now we get echelon form, triangular form. Now the equation is 36x, 36a here. Okay, 36a minus 6b plus c equal to 8, minus 3b plus 2c equal to minus 29, 15c equal to minus 150. So c equal to minus 150 divided by 15, cancel, we get c equal to minus 10. Substitute in this. Minus 3b equal to plus 2 into minus 10 equal to minus 29. Here simplify, minus 20, go to that side, plus 20, we get minus 9, cancel, 9, b equal to 3. b equal to 3, c equal to minus 10. Substitute in first equation. Substitute in first equation. That is 36a minus 6 into 3 minus 10 equal to 8. 36a minus 18 minus 10, that is minus 28, go to that side, plus 28, 36 divided by 36 equal to 1. A equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to minus 10 we get. See that one. He wants to meet his friend at 7, 60. Will he meet his friend? Now I will write this equation, y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Now we get a equal to 1, substitute, b equal to 3, substitute, c equal to minus 10, substitute, we get the equation is y equal to x squared plus 3x minus 10. The point is, given point is 7, 60. Now y equal to 60, x equal to 7, substitute, we get 60 equal to 60. Therefore yes, the boy will meet the friend. Okay, get the answer. Thank you, students.